Psst. Come closer. I have something to tell you. Water is good for you, but bad for your hair. I know you didn't expect that. It's actually not water. It's the calcium contained in it. Did you know that damaged hair absorbs 3 times more calcium, which makes it stiff, dull, and leads to breakage? Discover Premiere, AKA the solution. I mean, repaired, shrunk, gorgeous hair. Anyone? Well, goodbye.